Adding scroll-triggered animations is a great way to engage your visitors. First, hover over the section you want to animate and click the gear icon to open the section properties. Under Transition Animations, select your style. A classic fade-in set to 2 seconds is a great starting point. Now, add some movement to the next section to really grab the user's attention. Open the properties again and choose Slide In from Left. For the final section, try something a bit slower for a more elegant feel. Select Slide In from Right and increase the animation speed to 3 seconds. Once you've saved your changes, look at how it appears in the live preview. As you scroll down, the elements smoothly transition into view. This creates a professional, interactive experience with just a few clicks. Your website is now more engaging and alive.